6:12 this morning, and that disturbance is in the Gulf now, and it is likely going to become a tropical depression. Would not be surprised if it's later today. The hurricane hunters are going to fly into it this afternoon. If they find a closed circulation, it'll be a tropical depression, and this will likely become Tropical Storm Barry. That's what the majority of models are now making it. Notice a 90% chance of at least becoming a tropical depression. I will be very surprised if it does not. And the reason why is it's looking like it's going to stay offshore. That was always the question. Was it going to stay right along the coast? Then it probably wouldn't have developed. But now almost every single model bringing it out in the Gulf just a little bit before it curves back in, and that's a bad thing. That'll allow this storm to intensify. We're starting at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Notice that we're going to be dry today. It's going to be a very hot day, feeling a little bit hotter than yesterday even. But let's move forward in time to tomorrow afternoon. I would not rule out as early as tomorrow afternoon seeing a little bit of rain here, but I think the better chance is going to be to our north. I think our better rain chance is actually going to be tomorrow evening. Notice this system looking a little bit better. We'll go another day now into Friday afternoon, and that's our best chance of rain. I think Friday afternoon will be the wettest period for us. Notice the system not going to be over us, but close enough where isolated showers and storms are going to be over us, and this thing intensifying. Now we get into Saturday afternoon. It's just offshore. Notice the center right now looks like western Louisiana, the most likely location. That would be where the worst conditions are. Meanwhile, isolated showers and storms for us on Saturday. And guess what? Landfall right now is looking like the evening hours. Very dangerous evening in parts of far East Texas, western and central Louisiana. We jump into Sunday afternoon. It's moving inland. It's losing its intensity, but we're still going to have one more day with isolated showers and storms on Sunday. By Monday, it looks like this thing's going to be too far away to generate any more showers and storms for us. While the wind is going to be part of the story and could be pretty bad if it does make it to hurricane strength, which is a possibility, tropical storm force winds most likely, I really think the rain is going to be the biggest impact. We're talking about a high flood risk for Louisiana, parts of Arkansas. Notice far East Texas as well. Flooding looking very likely with this system. We could see some incredible rainfall amounts. I would not rule out perhaps some rainfall amounts up to 2 feet in a few locations. That could be a possibility. Meanwhile, not looking at that here with isolated showers and storms in the forecast for Thursday through Sunday through us. So that is a 4-day period. But isolated showers and storms, most of us are going to see less than a half an inch of rain. Now, that said, there are going to be some storms. You get on one of those storms, I do think a few parts of the valley could see 1 to 2 inches, but that is definitely going to be a minority of us. Most of us are going to see less than a half an inch of rain. So the good news is we're not going to see the flooding rains that other folks absolutely are. We're actually going to see temperatures cool down a little bit because of the rain. Not too much, but a little bit. 100 today. Skies will eventually become sunny after a partly cloudy start. A very hot and humid day with winds just 10 to 15 miles per hour. So hot, we're under a heat advisory again from 1 o'clock this afternoon until 6 o'clock this afternoon. The feels like temperatures 107 to 112. The only place not under a heat advisory right along the coast is Starr County, where the humidity will be a little bit lower, but not much. Tonight, clear skies, early, partly cloudy late. At least it'll be cooling back down into the 70s. Lows around 77